Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the how to create a website, simple website using HTML and external CSS and class selector. So step by step I will explain you. So notepad. First I will create an index file, HTML, head, title, index, title close, head close, body. Now here I will divide the web page into using div tags, and here I will do the class name header HADR. Now here I will type here header HADR header, and I will close it div. Now body tag I will close, body tag, HTML tag. Now I will save it, file and save. I will create a new folder on a desktop, website, and in this I will save index dot HTML. Always if you want to create a website, one file you have to create a index.html, and that file you connect another file to that. So this is very important to create a website. Now see output of the program, websites. When you click on this, it will be displayed. Suppose I want to connect it. So what I will do, first external style sheet create. I will create external style sheet, notepad. Here for external style sheet you have to use which class selector. So class selector start with full stop, header HADR header, and here you'll put the width of header here 100%, and height height 200, background dash color here green, here green. So simple, I will not decorate it. The simple I will write here. So now this file I will save as a CSS file. Yes, external CSS to define here. So p1 dot CSS. Where to save? In website folder CSS. Now all files I save. Now see, I did not link this file, so I will link this file to index file at that time. It will be, so here how to link, here you have to put link here rel is equal to style sheet, and here type is equal to text oblique CSS, and here href is equal to the file CSS file you have to link there, external CSS. So p1 dot CSS, and now how it will be displayed, design out this way. Now see, it will be displayed like this. Got it? I hope so you understood. So now see output. If you want here in text color you want to change, here you can change color. You put color white. Font size if you want to change, you can change also font size, and here you put the 40 pixel more if you want, and text align center, text that center you can put text align, you put text align LIGN align center. Simple, we are going to see after that in details, you can see. So in this way we can now see the output of the program. So it will be displayed in center, getting header. Now we are going to create a menu bar. How to create a menu bar? Using the UL tag. Using UL tags, you can create a menu bar. Using UL tag, you can create a menu bar. Now see, I will open a notepad, and here again I will put the here again div tag to divide the web page in parts. Now here I will type the class is equal to navigation. So that purpose. So here I will use. Do you know? Did you learn this UL tag unorderly? Yes, everyone know. Using this we can create a menu bar. That I will explain you. The LI output here, and hyperlink tag also you learn. href is equal to, you have to put the p2 dot html. This file we are going to create. So here put the potato, and here a close. Now you have to close the li. Again you have to now li, and here again one hyperlink put href is equal to here p3. This file I will create html. So I will put here tomato, and I will close a tag, and I will close the li tag. Now I will close the UL tag. So now see output of the program. So I will close the dy. So I did not design, but only I created here another list. When you design, it will be displayed different way. As like this, it is going to display. Getting? So now I will design it here. So I will use the class selector. So in an external site is more than one design you can. So now tag I will use now, and now tag background colors if you want. If you don't want the background color, you can. But background color I will put now tag. Here I will put the background color. Width also I will put width is equal to 100 pixel. I will put width is equal to 100 pixel, and height height is equal to 200 pixel. And now background dash color yellow, and now see the output of the program. So no tag, for no tag it will be displayed like this. Now see output of the program in this way. Getting? So I will decrease the size of this 200 pixel. I will put here 70 pixel. Now see the output of the program. But here is a padding, display, and margin. To remove this, so that purpose you have to use the universal tag. So in a book given that universal tag, so it will apply to the all tag present here. So you can put there star. It will define as a star. Here will put the margin. Here 0 pixel, and here padding here 0 pixel. So now see the output of the program. So it will be not a display, the space. See the output of the program. Got it? Now I will design this menu, potato and tomato. So as like the menu bar, that purpose what I will do here, see. Now I will use your now tag. In now tag we define the UL tag. So you have to put the now tag first, full stop, UL, again LI tag, and here you have to put the first list style. List style is equal to none, and display block. So you will get idea what is use of this one by one. Display block, block. Now if you want to arrange this horizontally, you have to use the float. So in book given that float property also, you can put the left, and here you want width and heights. So width you have to put the here 200 pixel, and height you have to put height. You put the 40 pixel. So no, as like the same upside now tag you have to put, so it will be better. So now see here height and line height also. Line height height you have to put the 70 pixel. Now you have to write the background color background dash color. So to put here gray, gray, and here color, text color. If you not write also, it will be display hyperlink is there. So color I will not put there. So here I will put a border here 2 pixel solid white, white. So now see how it will be display the menu bar. So in this way I design the menu, so navigation bar. I hope so you understood. If you have any query you can ask me. So now see here output of this as like this, potato and tomato. Getting? So if you want align in center, you can put here center, text align in center, text dash align center center. So now it will be align in center. So you can add more than one that potato and tomato. So you can add more than one. So for this was simple, you can copy paste also. So it will not take a time to you also. So you can put here copy paste. So now H P1 P2 here P3 P4 you have to put, and here you have to put P5. And now I will put the, instead of this potato I will put the carrot, 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 and here I will put a capital C, and here I will put the spinach, SPINACH. If any spelling mistake, you did not. Now see, so it will be create a menu bar like this, navigation bar. So I hope so you understood how to create a, right? So now I will design the last part. So now see last part I will yes here. So here I will again one division I will use. So div, and here class selector I will use class CLA class is equal to, I will put here C, any can put the name, and here goes sample text. So importance of the so I will copy paste also text format, but so sample text I will put here, sample text. So I will close the div tag. So now, so this is the last part of the 1 minute. So now I will design it. So if I did not design, how it will be display, see. So it will be display like this. So whenever you design, see how it will be display. So here I will design it. So here what I put is C. So I will put here C, and here dot C, here width I will put here width width. Here I'll put 100 pixel, and here I'll put the height HAIGST height, here 500 pixel, and now here I'll put the text color, background dash color. So I'll put there gray, here is gray, so it will display as like this side. So in this way I have explained you about the how to create a simple web page, simple website, and design it using external style sheet. I hope so. Oh, there is a problem. One minute, that here I did not put here percentage, that's why it put there. So display. I hope so you understood this, how to create a simple website. If you have any query, you can ask me. The same color is there, so I will change this color. I'll put here red color, so it will be better. Red or pink, pink color. So in this way we can create a website, simple website, and advanced also we are going to see pop-up tips. So I hope so you understood how to create a website. So if you have any query, you can ask me. If you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.